Ever been frustrated by the amount of time and effort it takes to review and score a large number of student assignments? Hi, I'm Linda Lorem, Instructional Designer, and in this video postcard, we'll take a look at how you can use the Moodle assignment feature to review, score, and hand back multiple student files all at once. To add an assignment to your Moodle course site, turn editing on and then navigate to the area where you would like the assignment to appear and select Add an activity or resource. Choose Assignment from the pop-up menu and select the Add button. On the Settings page, provide a title and descriptive text, including instructions for students. Set a due date and other appropriate date options. Under the Submission Types heading, select File Submissions. This is appropriate for any assignment where students will electronically hand in work, such as an essay, a PowerPoint presentation, or other file. Under the Feedback Types heading, you will find the options that enable you to view student files in a batch and to mark scores in a convenient worksheet. Select the checkboxes for feedback files and offline grading worksheet. Select the Save button to finish the process. You can also activate these settings for an assignment you've previously created by revisiting the Assignment Settings page. Later, when students have completed the assignment, navigate to the assignment link on your Moodle course page. On the next screen, select View Grade All Submissions. Along the left side of the screen in the Administration block, select Download All Submissions. Moodle will create a zip file that is downloaded to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, this file will either be saved in your Downloads folder or to a location that you specify. Once the download is completed, locate the file and right mouse click to select Extract All. Follow the screen prompts to save the extracted files. Notice also that each file includes a student name. On an Apple computer, you can simply double-click the file, and it will open. You can open each file in turn and review it and include your comments and notes. For example, if the assignments are Microsoft Word files, you can add comments similar to digital Post-it notes using the Review tab, located along the top menu ribbon in Microsoft Word. When you have finished reviewing a file, save it by using the standard save option, and be sure to keep the same file name and location. When you have finished reviewing all the student files, create a new zip file that can be uploaded into Moodle. To do this on a Windows computer, you can use the Control-A keyboard shortcut to select all the files at one time. Right-click on the selected files and choose Send to Compressed Folder. On an Apple computer, select the extracted folder, then choose File, then Compress. Return to Moodle and navigate to the assignment, to the View Grade All Submissions screen. Choose Upload Multiple Files in a Zip from the Grading Action drop-down menu. Navigate to the location of the new zip file you created and drag and drop it into the Upload area. Select the Import Feedback Files button. Moodle will display a list of all the feedback files. Select Confirm to complete the process. Each student will receive a copy of their own file, complete with your feedback. You can also mark scores in a convenient grading worksheet. From the Grading Action drop-down menu, select Download Grading Worksheet. Open the worksheet. The file is in the format .csv. Microsoft Excel is one common program you can use to open a CSV file. The grading worksheet includes a list of all students in the class along with a space to mark a score for each student. Enter a score for each student in the grade column. When you are finished scoring, save the grading sheet in CSV format. You can save the worksheet anywhere on your computer, but choose a location that you can remember so that you can locate it again to upload it back into Moodle. When you attempt to save the spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel may warn you that the CSV file is not compatible with certain features. You can ignore this warning and choose Yes in the pop-up window to save the file as a CSV. Return to Moodle again and select Upload Grading Worksheet from the Grading Action drop-down menu. Drag and drop the worksheet file into the Upload area. Select the Upload Grading Worksheet button. Moodle will process the file and prompt you to confirm the information. On the next screen, you will see a confirmation. The scores will now appear within the Moodle assignment and are also automatically added to the gradebook. Students will also receive notification from Moodle that you have scored their work. As always, our team members are happy to help you configure your Moodle course to meet your needs. Contact your instructional designer or IT fellow for personalized support about this and other course technologies. Until next time, happy Moodling!